Hello. Hi Nathan, you're on candid camera. And they're beautiful. They stand out amongst all of this lush greenery and forest. Is it the colour?
Yeah.
Do you have another reason why?
Another reason is Scorpio red.
I love it too. Good choice, man. Good choice.
Do you want this in your garden?
I would love one.
Do you want to live?
I do. I want to live here.
As you can see,
It's
we have reds, we have greens, but they're all over the place.
Exactly.
Over here we have a contrast, and that's what I love about this.
So, with somebody like Nathan, it's going to be difficult for him to put lotion on his neck. So, Nathan doesn't mind people putting sun lotion on your neck, do you?
No.
No?
Banana buns and that for sun-tan lotion.
Yes. And then, Nathan, hold your hand out. And Nathan knows how to put it on his arm. But this, why is that? Can anyone tell me why? Yeah, because the skin is much thinner and softer, and so skin cancer can start from here very easily. And one of the most common areas of skin cancer is on top of the ears as well. And it can burn us quicker there too. And on our arms, and on our legs. Such.
Wow.
Get your arms into it, Nathan.
Bitchy dicks.